Well, days after he was forced to tender a public apology for his insensitive comments on the drought situation in Maharashtra, Ajit Pawar is again under the scanner. Not for his comments, but his decisions as the state's water resources minister. Now, even as the man in the eye of the storm has denied any wrongdoing, the opposition wants Ajit Pawar gone. But will he step down again?
Already facing the heat for trivializing the drought in Maharashtra, more trouble is brewing for Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. Now facing serious allegations by a Pune-based NGO. Information collated reveals that over 2,000 million cubic meters of water, which was meant for agricultural purposes, was diverted to industries on Ajit Pawar's order. But the man in the eye of the storm denying any wrongdoing.
गवर्नमेंट की तब पॉलिसी थी, पहले पानी पीने के लिए, सेकंड प्रायोरिटी इंडस्ट्रियल के लिए, थर्ड प्रायोरिटी एग्रीकल्चर के लिए, फार्मर्स के लिए। मेरे ख्याल से 1.5 साल पहले इस गवर्नमेंट ने वो पॉलिसी 40 साल की चेंज की। जब डिसीजन लिया तब सेकंड प्रायोरिटी इंडस्ट्री की थी, इसीलिए तब की गवर्नमेंट ने डिसीजन लिया है।
But why is it that the minister did not consult those who were directly affected by this step? Why did the state government put farmers' interests behind industries? Questions that have triggered a debate on whether the drought facing Maharashtra is a man-made drought.
You can say it is a scam, but it is no scam. Any decision made by Ajit Pawar or a committee was within the framework of law and policy. You are quoting that 2003 the decision was taken to divert water to industry. Till 2011 the decision were made. There was a law in the state. The first priority will be drinking water, then industry, then farming. And that was decision made under that rules and laws. Where is the scam?
I think Maharashtra has to understand today that this policy of giving water to industry, giving water to sugarcane type crops which are water guzzlers is absolutely suicidal. What it needs to do is to understand it does need industry, it does need urban growth, but it cannot come at the cost of agriculture.
The Congress-NCP coalition is under immense pressure, with farmers in Maharashtra reeling under the worst drought in 40 years.
As so far as what Mr. Wagle is saying, if he feels the water has been diverted illegally, he has everyone here trusts the Chief Minister. He's ordered an inquiry, but he still has the liberty to go to court. We all trust the court, and let court decide if this was an illegal act or this wasn't an illegal act.
We went to the court, but the government changed the law. You know, retrospectively, they legalized all these illegal dealings, diversion dealings. But they were illegal when they were made at that time. And the High Court simply said what we can do when the government changes the law.
But why did the centre do nothing when Ajit Pawar blatantly disregarded the central water policy to divert water from poor farmers? And even if the centre turns a blind eye to it, shouldn't Ajit Pawar resign for a second time till his name is cleared? Bureau Report, Times Now.